To book a flight with Klarna, firstly open up Klarna and log into your Klarna account. Once I've logged into your Klarna account, so now what we can do is you can go and look for the on where you want to book the flight, so on which platform. So if it's like directly at the airlines website, so choose look for the search for the airlines that you want to book it for. Or if you're using any like ticketing platforms like Skyscanner or any other eDreams or any other web platforms, just search for it and see if it's available, it's supported with Klarna. So just search for it. So for example, like Skyscanner, just search for it. So for example here, let's say if I'm using Skyscanner, I'll just go there, use it. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is once you get to the Skyscanner page here, so you can be any website. So I'm using Skyscanner just for a demo. So the same thing. So choose your flights here. So pick in all your destination dates and all those things. Just pick that in and select the flight that you want to book in. So once you want to select the flight you want to book in, what are you going to do when you get to the checkout page here? You're going to select the pay with Klarna option here. So tap on the pay with when you check out. Just for the payment, just select Klarna, because you will see Klarna option. If the portal supports Klarna, you will see that option. So all you have to do is tap on this pay with Klarna option here and complete the transaction.